You two can relax for a bit, pause for a moment and take it all in. You're about to get married. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to Netherbyres House and to Claire and Maria's wedding. Whoever you are and whomever you love, you are welcome here. Like most young couples these days, Claire and Maria met online. It wasn't a boring cup of coffee first date for them. They arranged their first date to be in M&D's on Halloween. However, Claire just couldn't wait, and a few days before she sent a text to Maria asking her to meet earlier. It just felt natural from the start. They chatted and laughed and knew they'd found someone special. It didn't take long for Claire and Maria to fall in love. And it all went smoothly from there. Today isn't just about a wedding. It's about the first page in a book of marriage, which they hope will be enriched with many adventures, happiness, and an abundance of love.
Thank you to everyone for coming here, because it's quite a journey to get here. It's really nice you all up here. Lovely. I think you'll agree, both brides are absolutely beautiful. Claire and Maria are well suited. One very organised, always early for appointments. And the other, so laid back, nothing bothers her. Claire is a lovely, caring daughter and puts everything before herself and brings it. We are so happy she has married Maria today. Not only her best friend, but also her soulmate.
It has to be said that successful partnerships are forged by so many different forces. And we believe that Claire and Maria possess all the necessary personal attributes to grow naturally and successfully. Sure of it. They both exert such honesty and trustworthiness. They really do. And as a couple, they're completely in tune with each other. But they're also in tune with other people's needs. They recognise what other people want and desire. They're brilliant people.
These are the hands of your best friend. Young and strong and full of love for you. These are the hands that will work alongside yours as together you build your future. That are holding yours as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever.